Hey, what's up, everybody? It's J2O Real FOREX King back for another weekly Forex forecast for the week of the 12th to the 17th. The first thing we do, we look at forexfactory.com and we look to see the news events. So right now for the news events for the 12th, you see we have daylight savings, so the time get adjusted. So just be mindful that the time is adjusted in the markets for daylight saving. It's a Monday, just a bunch of low impact folders, nothing too crazy. Monday might be a continuation from Friday. And also Tuesday, we do have some volatility, mainly in the New York session with the USD pairs and a little bit with the GBP dual ledger session. And Wednesday, we have heavy news during the New York session with a lot of affecting GBP or USD pairs. And there is a couple yellow impact folders, which is low impact folders for the euro and other pairs. And then Thursday also a heavy news day affecting the euro during the New York session. So far this week there's a lot of news impacting the New York session. So be mindful for the volatility. And then we end Friday with mostly low impact news events with New York session with affected USD pair at 10 a.m. with a high impact news. So pretty much Tuesday through Thursday seems like it'll be an interesting news week. And now let's look at the markets. So for Euro USD, right now I'm looking for sell opportunities. You can see last week, Friday, on a 4 hour, we ended the candle bearish. We're all in the downtrend, so I do see us setting up like a reversal candle and coming back down. So right now, I am looking for sell opportunities around the zone area, around the 78.6 retracement area, in between this reversal on a 4 hour, near the 100% zone. So we do come up, I will see like any type of retracement candle or reversal candlestick, or we might just continue downwards gradually throughout the week. So that's what I see for the Euro USD. But if we break here and create an area of support, then we're about to come back up. But right now, I don't see that happening. So we're on a downtrend for the Euro USD. And gold, we are on a slight uptrend. Um, Last week, pretty bullish. We ended Friday bullish on a 4 hour chart. I am still looking for buy opportunities, so we could literally, come up still, maybe retrace down a little bit before we shoot back up. So there is opportunity for it to come up around this zone area, and there's opportunity for it to retrace down a little bit before we shoot back up some more. But right now we are on an uptrend for minor uptrend for gold. And for US 30, we are on a downtrend. Right now on the daily chart, we ended last week bearish. So we could literally potentially create an area of support and come up gradually before we come back down. So it takes a while for these candles to play out on a daily chart. So let's go to the 4 hour chart real quick. So this week we could literally, try to create support, or we could break down and create a little more lower low before we retrace back up gradually before we come back down. So right now, this pair, I'm just going to be mindful and see if we could find some type of area of support. Because as you see from the prior daily candles, there was different pushes in the market. For example, there's a push here. So right now we're down here. So we could literally try to create some type of support, or we might just come down here some more. So just gotta be mindful, see what's happening with the structure. As for GBP USD, on a 4 hour chart, it's been kind of choppy. So right now, I'm still looking for sell opportunities. Around the 70 or 60 retracement, 100% zone. I'm seeing any type of retracement reversal candle to come back down. But if we close above here and create support, then you know we're coming back up for the uptrend. Right now, overall look for sales for this pair. Standing for GPJPY. This pair has been playing around lately, but I am looking for buy opportunities based off the structure. So we are on an uptrend. It has been a little choppy, respecting this area of support. So I do see us coming back up, looking for buy opportunities back up to create a higher high. But if we do come down and break this zone area, then we know we're coming back now. Right now, I don't see it happening. And then AUD USD. So I am on trades with this, and I'm holding from last Friday. So we are on a overall it's a downtrend, but it looks like it's about to retrace up slightly. So I'm trying to ride the retracement up to get in the sell opportunity to ride it back down. So right now I am gonna buy based off this candlestick pattern. But if we break down here and create a new low, then I have to change my bias and just ride the sells back down. So GB CAD, so this pair I am looking for sell opportunities. As you can see, we're near the 100% retracement zone. So I'm going to see how the market plays out Monday and see if I can find reversal candle to ride it back down for the swing move. And GBCHF, so this finally played out. Took a couple days last week. So we've been on a downtrend. So right now, I'm trying to see if we create an area of support to see if we're going to retrace back up before we come back down again. Or we could literally, during Monday, it could be a continuation and we just come down lower. In that case, we're going to see if we create an area of support to ride back up for the buy move to catch the main move, which is sell back now. So this all depends on the structure. Overall, this is a downtrend, but we're in an interesting area of seeing prospective support. And GBP New Zealand, so this was like on a slight uptrend. It took a while to play out because it went up and down. So it came back down, came back up to retest the high. So I'm gonna see how Monday plays, if we're gonna create like a newer high before I look to get in on a retracement, coming back down and ride a buy move back up. So this all depends. So right now, I'm trying to see how the market reacts. And then USD CAD, I am looking for pretty much sell opportunities around this zone area because based off the daily, it looks like we're in an interesting area where there's a lot of resistance. So I'm going to just be focusing on sell opportunities if I trade the USD CAD based off the daily time frame. Going to try to see if I see any structure, reversal structures or patterns. And that's pretty much the pairs I am analyzing this week. Back to the calendar. Just be mindful for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday heavily news that affects the USD pair a lot. So that'll give good indication of the volatility in the market. Definitely trade what you see, now what you think, and practice good risk management, and you should be okay. If you have any questions, let me know. Like, comment, subscribe. You already know we out here. Peace.